Another month has passed and it's time to refill our restaurant kits. Some people use them at the doctor's office, church, car, playground. I don't know, all sorts of places, but I'm gonna show you what's inside mine. Hey you guys, it's Christina from the Purple Alphabet. Let's go through the December restaurant kits. I have a couple of theme things that I picked up from the stores, the Dollar Tree and the Target Dollar Spot, that I wanted to put inside for December. So if you are new around here, we do educational activities for kids, ideas and inspirations to learn through play. So a lot of my things are educational based or they have some sort of learning in them. I would love it if you would subscribe so you don't miss out on any of those videos. Today I'm refilling my restaurant kits, and I call them restaurant kits as I said before because I use them at the restaurants, but I've heard you all call them many different things. I like to use these clear cases that I get at Daiso Japan. I have found them on Amazon, but they're far more expensive. But you guys can use anything that you have, a backpack, a book bag, aren't those the same thing? I think so. Or even a plastic pouch. I like these because they close shut, have a handle, and they are great to write on. So let me show you what I'm putting in this time. Since I have two kids, I have two boxes and I kind of go through and pull out the things that either didn't work from last time or that are used up and just need to be replaced. Last time we had this time telling clock, which I have to tell you was a huge hit. My kids really did like this one, but I'm going to take it out because I'm going to put a little bit different things in. And then we also had this wipe clean book, which also was a huge hit. I'm not sure if I'm keeping this in or not. It was something that came from the Target dollar section. So I'm just going to set it aside for now. We had this Usborne book in, which she wasn't too keen on. She had started it but didn't really get all that into it, so I want to take this out. And when I say I take it out, it usually means I'm going to either bring it back later and try it again, or maybe I'm just going to do away with it. But this one I think I'll bring back at another time. The stickers were a hit because they are gone. That's definitely coming out. And then here's the other stuff we had. She normally has her colored pencils and a pencil sharpener, and these markers were just the smaller markers, pipsqueak markers that came from the dollar section, which were great to have. The last three things in here, this is definitely a hit, although this last time she didn't really use it that much. It's just a word builder where you flip over and make words. She was actually really enthralled by these plus blocks that we put in. I gave some away when I had my last video and you guys just thought they were amazing. Well, so did my kids. They played with this probably every single time, and sometimes that was just only this. Huge hit there. But this one, not so much this time, but it was the first time around. And this Sight Word Find It game was also a big hit. She did like doing this one a lot, and we played this as a family at the table, which was a lot of fun. Now that we have our case empty, I'm going to start putting in some of our holiday themed activities because this is the time for us to do these kinds of things. This is called the Sticker Tivity book. I have showed you this in my Dollar Tree Shop With Me's and hauls. I love them and I like that they keep making new styles. So these are the holiday themed ones, so they're kind of new. For the $1, you get this book filled of all kinds of activities, but then there's stickers that go inside and you can do sticker by number. This is just really simple, easy, kind of fun things that my kids love doing. So this was a lot of fun. We're going to put that in there because I think it's adorable. I have another one for my other child. This box is going to be for my 7-year-old, in case you all were wondering. These are the blank books. I normally put the blank books inside these kits because they get so many uses of coloring and drawing and tic-tac-toeing, but I have these now in the holiday themes. I got them last year, but I put them away and brought back the extras, but they do have them at Target from time to time, so I bet you they have some for the holidays right now. Also have some holiday stickers, which it's not normal for me to put stickers in there as much as I used to. I think I'm going to get them in here and then encourage some story making with the stickers, and then also drawing and coloring out scenes. So we're going to try that and see what happens. These I believe were they from Target, you guys? I don't remember. They were either from Target, Walmart, or Dollar Tree. Either way, you can get them at any of those spots, but I'm having a feeling they might have been Dollar Tree on these. I also have some game tablets. These came from Walmart for 98 cents. They're super thin though, but they have a whole bunch of activities in here, all holiday themed, so I thought that might be fun to mix that up and put that in there. They also had these Bible themed ones, which we started to use at church, and so if you're looking for something a little bit more religious, I guess, because of the season, then you might want to see if they have those still. But we've been using these at church, so I'm not going to put this in their box. Also at Dollar Tree, there's these bigger ones. They're probably 3 times the size, and they're $1 and they have more activities in them too. But since this is so thick, I'm going to save these for when we're done with these because I know my kids will go through them like crazy. Since my kids love the plus box, I am switching them out for the ones that are holiday themed. These were in the Target dollar section. I did a toy test on these and we tested them to see if they would work with these, and they do not. They do not work together, but since these are a holiday theme, I thought they might be fun to switch it up. So we're going to put these inside her box this time because I know they love them so much and we got a lot of use out of them. Next, something something a little bit fun, I'm gonna put in this travel tangram set. This came from Amazon. I put it in my Amazon store, I believe. And on this side, it has all the different puzzles that you could work on. And then inside it has the pieces and a magnetic board. So you can create right there on the board. I like that. It's so simple in travel and it's flat. This is a great take along, and we're gonna put this in here too this time. This is something new we haven't tried before, so we're gonna see if it works. She's gonna get her box of color pencils and her markers and her sharpener. And then something new are these little stackable crayons from the Target dollar section. They have them in a little holiday stocking stuffer theme. I thought it was cool that 2 came in the package, particularly because I have 2 kids. They're little penguins, bears, I'm not quite sure. I think they're penguins. And I just like that it has the different colors on one, and they're kind of fun. So we'll put that in there so she has something to color with. And comes the true test of whether or not it's going to close, because we always say it doesn't close, it doesn't go with us. And it does. It's a perfect fit. One quick tip I want to give about these 2 is only take out 1 activity at a time. It will save you a whole bunch of trouble. Trust me on that. Let's empty out my 5-year-old's box. She had this Brain Bites for breakfast. She did not touch this, so this is definitely going out for now. We might come back to it. This little color stick and learn did not touch it either. It's coming out. And then she still has some leftover stickers. We're just gonna put the stickers aside. She also had the time telling, which she liked to play with too, so it was definitely a fun one. She also loved the plus blocks. Oh my goodness, this girl, she played with these probably the most. So amazed at how far those went. This little spelling flashcard game, this one had clothespins that had letters on them, and you'd match them up to the letters on the flashcard. She did this and a couple times actually, but I'm gonna take it out for now. Got her markers too, and then her little Usborne book, she's actually almost done with it. She actually enjoyed this. Because I know she's working on finishing it, I'm going to keep it in her box. For the refill, she's getting a Stickertivity book. Hers is a funny face one. It's a little bit different than the other one. So this one has faces and you put the stickers on to make them funny faces, obviously. So it has a whole bunch of different options for faces, eyes, and mouth, and lips and all that kind of stuff, plus some activities too, but the majority of it is for faces. So she's gonna get one of those to play around with. She'll also get a blank book, and she's gonna get her Usborne book again, and then some stickers because she likes to put the stickers in the blank book. And very similar to her sister, she has the game booklet too. This one's in Santa Claus theme, but it has the same games in it, you guys, pretty much. And then Polly will put her Christmas stickers in, keeping her simple with a little crayon like that, but she's also gonna get her regular crayons just because. Here are her Christmas themed building blocks. And oh my gosh, you guys, I almost forgot. If you watched my video from Monday, which talked about holiday free printables, I went over a whole bunch of activities that you could do that are free and holiday themed and great for learnings. I forgot to put these in my other daughter's box, but I'm going to put them in there. So this one is a finding color, where you have a list of things you're trying to find at the top, plus down at the bottom you find them. And so this is a great visual scanning and finding game. And then this one is a holiday graph, where you count and color and graph down at the bottom. These are actually super easy to put inside this box, and so I'm going to put these in my 7-year-old's box too, and they can work on them together. Can't believe I forgot that. So lots of books this time in this one. I know it wasn't as exciting as past videos, but you know, since they love those blocks so much, we're just going to keep that up. But hopefully you got some holiday themed inspiration out of this video, and everything fits. I love reading your comments about what you guys are putting inside your restaurant kits, or if you tried some things that I've showed you. The best ideas come from you guys, and these activity kits basically are a collaborative effort between all the other parents out there. Make sure to click subscribe to see more videos like this, and give me a thumbs up to show your love.